Hi Sparkle Squad. Today we have 6 of these scented Mystery Squad Squishmallows blind bags. I'm hoping for the purple turtle and the green seal is pretty cute. Let's get started with our bag number 1. Okay, it looks like we have this cute little black stingray. Her name is Fenfang. Fenfang loves summer storms. They always seem to happen when something isn't going her way, and happily remind her to embrace the unexpected. Like she's learned to say in times of stress, if it's going to thunder in July, I might as well dance in the rain. Upon further inspection, she actually is dark green on her back, and I love her little polka dots. And we're on to bag number 2. Let's see who we get. I see green. It's the cute little seal. This is Chutney. Chutney feels restless. She doesn't have any plans today and has just been swimming around her favorite iceberg. Any chance you want to swim over and catch mackerel together? With so much free time, Chutney wants to pick up a new hobby. Do you have any suggestions? Chutney is so cute. I'm so glad to add her to my collection. Alright, it's time to open bag number 3. Let's see who we get. Oh no, we have our first dupe. But Chutney is so cute. And actually, I don't mind dupes because I can give one to my daughter and I get to keep one for myself. How adorable. Now Chutney has a twin to play with. Okay, it's bag number 4 time. I see purple. Yay! It's the cute little purple turtle. Okay, this is Tundar. No matter the occasion, Tundar loves putting together little gift bags for friends. He fills them with candies, cool shells he found, and always includes a personal card. So be sure to keep in touch with Tundar. He'll send you a super sweet goodie bag all the way from the sea. I love Tundar. I love his purple color, and I love that he has cosmic stars on his shell and on his belly. This is perfect for SuperMoonSparkles. We're already on bag number 5. Let's see who we get. Is that a dupe? Yes, it's Tundar. I'm not even mad about the dupe. Tundar is so cute, and I love that the shell coloring and the belly coloring are just a little bit different than the other one that we got. So I'm excited. Okay, we're on to our last bag, bag number 6. Let's see who we get. Oh, we got a pink walrus. How adorable. This is Pepper. Pepper loves waltzing in the ballrooms of sunken cruise ships. Sometimes she even imagines she was a glamorous passenger on board. Princess Flipperina of Wales, can you help her practice her box step? Aw, she's a little imaginative walrus. I love that. I'm happy to add her to my collection. Well, even though we did get 2 dupes, I'm still very happy with our pulls from these blind bags. Thanks for spending a couple minutes of your day with me. I hope that you have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.